If you have some ground beef and do not know what to make for dinner, this easy air fryer recipe is always a good idea. First, add 1 pound of ground beef to a large mixing bowl, and then add 1 egg. Then add half a cup of breadcrumbs. Then add half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Then add salt to taste. Then add half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. And then add a pinch of black pepper. Next, finely chop 1 bunch of fresh parsley so it mixes evenly into the meat. Try to keep the pieces small, which helps spread the flavor through the whole mixture. If you do not have fresh parsley, use 1 tablespoon of dried parsley instead. Now mix everything together until it is well combined. You can use your hands or a spoon, whichever feels easier. Keep mixing until the seasonings and parsley are evenly worked through the meat and the mixture holds together nicely. Next, take a piece of parchment paper and scoop all the meat onto it. Then, spread the meat out really flat, like you see me doing in the video here. You can press it out gently with your hands or use a rolling pin if that feels easier, until you have a large, even layer of meat. Try to keep it the same thickness all over so it cooks evenly and rolls up more easily later. Next, cover the meat evenly with 6 slices of cheese. If you have grated cheese instead, that works great too. Then cover the cheese with slices of cooked ham. Regular deli-style cooked ham works well here because it is thin, soft, and easy to roll inside the meat without making the filling too thick. Next, carefully roll the meat into a tight roll. Go slowly and use the parchment paper to help lift and guide it as you roll. Keep it snug so it holds its shape, but do not press so hard that the filling starts coming out. If a little cheese or ham shifts, just tuck it back in as you go. Once the meat is neatly rolled, wrap it up again in the parchment paper and place it in the freezer until firm, about 1 to 2 hours. Wrap it snugly so the roll holds its shape. You want it cold and firm, but not frozen solid, which makes it much easier to slice. Once the roll is nice and firm, take it out of the freezer and remove the parchment paper. Then, use a sharp knife to cut it into about 10 even slices, making each one close to the same thickness so they cook evenly and hold their shape well in the air fryer. It is okay if the end pieces are not perfect, they still taste good. Next, take your air fryer basket and place the rolls in the basket in a single layer. I like to line the air fryer basket with parchment paper so it is easier to lift them out later, and cleanup is a little easier too. Make sure the slices are not stacked, so cook them in batches. Air fry the meat rolls in the preheated air fryer at 356 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. When they are done, the outside should look nicely browned and the cheese inside should be hot and melted. My family really loves these air fryer meat rolls. They are delicious, easy to make, and make a very filling air fryer dinner. If you like easy air fryer recipes, then check out this cheesy air fryer garlic bread too. It is super yummy, easy to make, and so good straight out of the air fryer. Check it out now!